Are you swarming in dust particles you can't see? Are your friends tired of your dusty workshop?
Man, there's so many dust particles in here.
I have a solution for you. The WEN 3410 Air Filtration System. So let's take a quick look at the specs of the WEN 3410. It weighs 31 pounds. It's 17 by 20.5 by 10 inches as the dimensions. It's got 3 speeds, 300, 350, and 400 CFM, which is obviously the high, medium, and low setting on the filtration unit. WEN says it can circulate a 400 square foot room 7.5 times an hour. I have no way of verifying that, so I'm just going to take them at their word. The motor is a 1.6 horsepower motor that has a 50 to 60 decibel rating. The remote control actually works pretty far. It works up to 26 feet. It's a simple remote, which I'll show you guys in a bit. When you do first get the package, it comes with handles and mounting hooks, as well as the filters. It has 2 filters, so it has a 1 micron inner filter and a 5 micron outer filter, which I'll show you guys in a bit. That's really easy to change out. It also has an auto timer, so basically when you turn it on, you can set it to automatically turn on after 1 hour, 2 hour, or 4 hours. It does not have an auto scheduler, so you can't set it to turn on automatically every day, but rather you have to manually turn it on and then you can have it automatically turn off. They do offer a larger unit, but again, this one was plenty sufficient for mine, up to 400 square feet. It is not a dust collector, but meant to work in conjunction with your dust collection system. This is more for cleaning out the fine dust particles in your garage, especially if you have a lot of fine sawdust. I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the filters on this unit. They're literally only held on by 2 hooks. It's got 2 filters. It's got the 5 micron filter and the 1 micron filter. On this outer one is the 5 micron filter. So this is where air gets sucked in through and spit out the exhaust port on the back. So this, you just got to take these 2 hooks, pop them off, and the filter comes out just like that. And then these 2 you want to replace, these are the 1 micron filter. So make sure you get matching ones to this unit, and then putting this back on. Just put the hooks back on, and there you go. I wanted to show you guys the actual unit in use. I do keep this unit a little more towards the back of my shop because in the center I do have a garage lift master for the garage door that's kind of taking up the whole center. But it did work out perfect for me because my table saw does have the most sawdust out of all the tools in my shop, so it actually worked out kind of nice for me. You generally want to keep this towards the center where it could hit as many tools as you can. It's made to circulate good air through the whole workshop. The first setting I'm going to show you guys is 300 CFM. This is the low setting. The next setting is the medium setting, which is 350 CFM. And then the third setting is high, which is 400 CFM. And then additionally, you could adjust when it's going to turn off. So you could set it to turn off after 1 hour, after 2 hours, or after 4 hours. You could do this through pressing the buttons actual on the unit or use the remote that they did provide. It's a little simple remote. It's pretty useful. It goes up to 26 feet. The WEN 3410 has been a great entry-level air filtration unit. It's light and compact, very easy to set up and operate. The unit has been reliable in the time I've had it, and the performance has been good. They do have a larger unit if your shop is bigger than 400 square feet, but this one has been plenty sufficient for my workshop. I would recommend setting up an air filtration unit in your shop because your health is the most important thing.
1 hour later.
Yeah, that's more like it.
So you know the drill. Hammer that like button and subscribe.